Hello everyone, this is Cody Pravat, the ID Sensor Sales Specialist for Air Hydropower in Alabama, located out of Birmingham. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Insight sensor and your Dataman on a Windows 10 device, whether it be a laptop or a computer. So to jump right into things, first you're going to want to make sure that your whatever device you're using has a set IP address and it is not automatically obtaining an IP address. So for that, you'll go down into your bottom left search bar. And that pulls up, you'll just type in Ethernet and choose Ethernet settings here. From there, you're going to change your adapter options, and you're going to find the Ethernet port that your sensors are plugged into. Then you're just going to select properties on those. And once that pulls up, you're going to go to the Internet Protocol version 4, or the IPv4, select it, and choose its properties. Mine already has a set IP address. Yours may be obtaining it automatically. You would just use the following IP, and then you would type in whatever IP you want or that your company wants you to use for that. Now your sensors are going to have to match these first three segments here in both your subnet mask and in your IP address. On your IP, the last 1 to 3 digits can be whatever you want, as long as it is not the same as another sensor or device on the same network. Alright, we can close out of all this. So in the Insight Explorer, which the current version is 5.0.9 or 5.9.0, you're going to go into the System tab here and add a sensor or device to the network. From here, our sensor is going to pop up. So we can type all this in manually if we want, but the easiest way to do it is just to copy the PC network settings, and it's going to copy the settings for whatever network port it's plugged into. And then we can just hit apply there, OK, and it's going to restart and change the settings. Oftentimes you may have to manually cycle the power yourself. You would just unplug the sensor, plug it right back in, and when it boots back up, it'll pop up in the network down here along with the emulator, and you can go on ahead and connect to your sensor. Okay, when the sensor successfully connects, it's going to take a picture and basically register showing you that it is indeed hooked up, and from there you can go on ahead and adjust your lighting and your focus. And then you can get to setting up all your tools and inspecting whatever parts you want to. So the next would be the Dataman software. So currently we're on version 6.1.7 for the Dataman setup tool. And you initially bring it up, it's going to show you the network here, and you'll have all these options on the left-hand side. You'll see that the sensor is populating, which sometimes it will, sometimes it will not populate here. It's showing that it's there, however, it's showing that it is misconfigured, and the reason that is because the IP is not the same. So assuming you've already changed the IP on your computer and everything is correct and in line there, you would go to the Repair and Support tab here, and click on the sensor, and then choose your Ethernet port, and then whatever you want that last digit to be, and then apply that. The Dataman is going to go through basically the same process the Insight sensor did. It's going to restart, or refresh itself, and then it'll boot back up. And from there we can go to the Connect screen, wait for this to start up, and then when it connects to it successfully, it'll bring it up in the network here. Alright, and from there, you can go ahead and start reading codes, tuning it if you need to, adjusting your focus, exposure, getting everything set up online. Again, I'm Cody Pravat, the ID and Sensor Sales Specialist for Air Hydropower in the Alabama region. I'm out of Birmingham. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email or give me a call. Thank you.